choosing the right fence isn't just about security, it's about style. The right fence can make your home look stunning, while the wrong one? Total mismatch. Contemporary homes. Clean lines, minimal colors, and sleek design. A horizontal slat fence, often in wood, metal, or composite, is your best bet. It complements that minimalist look perfectly. Colonial and traditional homes. For homes with timeless charm, like colonials or capes, classic white picket or post and rail fences are a match made in history. Farmhouse and country homes. Rustic charm meets function. Go with split rail, crossbuck, or simple wood panel fences. Bonus points for stained wood. It blends right in with natural surroundings. Craftsman and bungalow homes. These cozy, character-filled homes pair well with decorative wood or iron fences, especially when they mimic the trim and shapes of your home's exterior. Mediterranean and Spanish homes. Warm, textured, and romantic. These homes shine with stucco walls, wrought iron fencing, or even tile-topped privacy walls. Urban or townhomes. Need style and privacy in a tight space? Go for sleek vinyl, metal panels, or composite fencing. They're easy to maintain and fit in tight urban lots. Want expert help choosing the perfect fence for your home? Call CAAN Fence Inc. today at 781-767-3596 or visit us at CAANFenceInc.com.